Introduction. Tesla, led by visionary entrepreneur Elon Musk, has disrupted the automotive industry with its innovative electric vehicles, EVs, and unique marketing approach. This case study explores Tesla's zero marketing strategy and its implications for business innovation. We will analyze Tesla's unconventional marketing tactics, the role of Elon Musk, and provide a solution on how Tesla can continue to thrive in the highly competitive automotive market. 1. Overview of Tesla's zero marketing strategy. Unlike traditional automakers that heavily rely on traditional marketing channels, Tesla has adopted a zero marketing strategy. Instead of spending significant resources on traditional advertising, Tesla focuses on product innovation, brand positioning, and word-of-mouth marketing to create a buzz around its electric vehicles. 2. Unconventional marketing tactics. A. Product innovation. Tesla's primary marketing focus is on developing cutting-edge electric vehicles with advanced features and superior performance. By creating innovative and desirable products, Tesla generates a natural buzz and attracts media attention. B. Brand positioning. Tesla strategically positions itself as a leader in sustainable transportation and emphasizes its commitment to reducing carbon emissions. This positioning appeals to environmentally conscious consumers and aligns with their values. Circa Elon Musk's influence. Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, plays a significant role in the company's marketing efforts. His charismatic personality, social media presence, and ability to generate media attention create a halo effect for Tesla. Musk's influence helps in building a strong brand image and generates free publicity. D. User community and advocacy. Tesla leverages its passionate customer base to generate positive word-of-mouth marketing. Tesla owners often become brand advocates, sharing their experiences and influencing others to consider Tesla as their choice for electric vehicles. 3. Implications for business innovation. A. Cost savings. Tesla's zero marketing strategy allows the company to save substantial marketing expenses, enabling it to invest more in research and development, product improvement, and expanding its charging infrastructure network. B. Brand authenticity. By focusing on product quality, innovation, and sustainability, Tesla has created a strong and authentic brand image. This image resonates with environmentally conscious consumers, leading to increased brand loyalty and trust. Circa disruptive influence. Tesla's zero marketing strategy challenges the traditional marketing approaches of the automotive industry. It has forced competitors to rethink their marketing strategies and invest in electric vehicle technology to remain competitive. Solution. Enhancing Tesla's market positioning. To further enhance Tesla's market position and maintain its competitive edge, the following strategies can be implemented. A. Strategic partnerships. Tesla can establish partnerships with other sustainable brands, renewable energy companies, or technology giants to create synergies and expand its reach. Collaborations can help amplify Tesla's brand message and extend its market presence. B. Influencer marketing. Leveraging influencers, especially those who are passionate about sustainability and technology, can amplify Tesla's messaging and reach new audiences. Partnering with influential personalities can strengthen Tesla's brand advocacy and generate positive word of mouth. C. Customer engagement initiatives. Tesla can focus on enhancing customer engagement by organizing exclusive events, test drives, and community gatherings. These initiatives foster a sense of community among Tesla owners and strengthen their loyalty while creating opportunities for potential customers to experience Tesla's vehicles firsthand. Conclusion. Tesla's zero marketing strategy, driven by product innovation, brand positioning, and the charismatic leadership of Elon Musk, has propelled the company to the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution. By redirecting marketing resources towards product development and leveraging word-of-mouth marketing, Tesla has successfully disrupted the automotive industry. By enhancing market positioning through strategic partnerships, influencer marketing, and customer engagement initiatives, Tesla can continue to dominate the electric vehicle market and inspire further business innovation. Note: this is a fictional case study analysis for educational purposes. The specific details and data provided are based on a hypothetical scenario and should not be considered as actual facts or figures. If you liked this case study video, then subscribe this channel to watch more such videos. Thank you. See you in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.